Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change profile photo in Canva. If you want to change your profile photo in Canva, the steps are quick whether you're using the website or mobile app. So open Canva, then sign into your Canva account. Now on the bottom left, click your profile picture. Then in here, select your account. Now under your profile, so you can click your current photo or the camera or edit icon. Or you can also click change photo beside it. So click that to change your profile photo. Then choose your photo, double click or you can click open and your Canva profile photo will be changed, just like so. Then you can crop or adjust it if prompted, then save the changes. So just wait for it to be updated. So again, just go to your profile in the bottom left corner, then go to your account, then under your profile, click change photo, and then change your photo. And that's it. Now, if you're using Canva on mobile, you can open the Canva app and sign in. You can tap your profile icon, then go to settings, then tap your current profile photo, then just choose change photo or upload photo. Then select an image from your device, then adjust the crop if needed, then tap save. So tips for the best profile photo: use a clear high resolution image. You can use a square image at least 500 by 500 pixels, works well. Make sure your face or logo is centered, as the photo may be displayed in a circular frame. And that's it. Thank you for watching.